Well, if you want to see our community's future leaders in technology and innovation, just stop by the First Robotics Club at the Early College at Guilford on a Friday night.
You'll find some high school students there making state-of-the-art robotics, everything from the coding to operating to then taking them to competitions. They eventually move on to those competitions and hope to do well. Adrian DiPiazza shows us how the club also relies on your help.
On a Friday afternoon when most high schoolers are at the movies or a football game.
Yes.
These kids are here, the Early College at Guilford First Robotics Club, funded in part by the Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro's Teen Grant Making Council.
Honestly, it is a varsity sport in my eyes. Like, we're going to competitions and we're pumped up, we're building robots.
They are like athletes of the mind, coding, collaborating, building, and testing the robots of the future.
I see a lot of the kind of low labor jobs right now being replaced by robotics. I see a lot of improvement in precision of sensors, which allows for more autonomous code.
4 hours every Friday night, the room is buzzing with learning and preparing these intricate machines for the next competition.
You gotta back up.
Take Shiv Oza, a 17-year-old who didn't know his passion until he walked in the door.
I never knew I actually wanted to do engineering. I wanted to do political science, and then after coming into the club, seeing this environment, it's something just amazing.
Oza and his team are working on this large robot that can pick up an exercise ball. He's now the team leader.
I've also learned to take on responsibility. It's just something that I was always afraid to do, and after being part of a team for 4 years and learning to, work on designs and things like that, I've learned to take responsibility for the things that I've done.
Kids like Aaron Goki say the club empowers them to take risks and put themselves out there.
I thought that robots were just too cool for me and I wouldn't be able to do anything. Last year, I said, you know what? This is too cool to pass up. No one knows how to program the robot. I'm going to do it.
They're also taking that energy to elementary schools across the county, inspiring others with their technological creations.
It's incredible because I realized that while we're learning, we can also help make a difference and that we can be responsible so that other people can succeed as well.
It's a program that starts with the community, empowering these future technology experts, and then they give right back.
This program itself wouldn't exist without the community giving it the support and without these students then taking it out to give it back to other students and to other community groups.
And these students are also doing other things to help the community, like collecting food for Guilford County food pantries.